Good organizations are ones that understand the conflicts they have and know how to resolve and manage them effectively. That's what we teach at the Institute, is how to deal with conflict effectively so it doesn't become a burden to the organization, it doesn't become disruptive.
There are some estimates that managers spend anywhere between 20 and 50% of their time dealing with their employees' conflicts. Imagine if organizations had tools in place, had practices in place that allowed them to deal with that in a formal, explicit manner.
Here at the Scheinman Institute, we offer training to help you effectively manage conflict and to achieve your organization's goals. We offer a wide range of certificates, including labor relations, employee relations, diversity and inclusion, leadership, contract administration, and others.
Cornell ILR school that was created by the New York State Legislature in order to teach this. That's why we exist. And I think people know that when they come here and they see that.
In the professional development programs, we're really focusing on the work that people do every day. And there's two elements of what we do. We provide them not just with the knowledge, but we also give them methodologies and frameworks. Not only do we bring people an understanding of the skills and the knowledge, but we get them out there practicing it. And we use practical situations that are occurring every day.
We're not just out there teaching some generic course on how to negotiate. We're conducting the really cutting-edge research, the top research in the world, on issues of conflict, particularly around the workplace, but in other areas as well.
We get to take all of that research and actually help people to practically apply it.
I think that the information that you get is so critical, and especially in today's world where everything is constantly changing. And so the up-to-date information that you receive is very valuable.
At the base of all of our professional development programs is this sort of Cornell approach to making sure that what we're doing is informed by the best research, but also that we're learning from the practitioners that we work with.
One of the unique things about Cornell is it's both an upstate and a downstate university. We have our traditional campus here in Ithaca, and we also have cutting-edge facilities down in New York City.
We also engage in a substantial amount of teaching through distance learning in partnership with eCornell. The Scheinman Institute is having an impact on practices all over the world and extending its roles in ways that we just couldn't do in the past.
We go global. We can go directly to the organization's locations outside of the U.S.
I'm a person who loves theory, but I need to be able to take something that I can implement at work when I go back. And I want everything that I learn to be something that will impact what I do when I go back to my office. Cornell provides those things.